Hi, do you have these amazing workhorse quality headphones from Sennheiser? Then today I will show you how to easily remove and replace the Sennheiser HD 280 Pro headphone pads with new ones. To remove the AirPad, just grab the edge and pull it off. The pad is held on the headphone housing by a groove. You will also need to buy new replacements. The link is in the video description. Keep in mind that damaged pads not only look bad, but they also negatively affect the sound quality. To put the new replacement pads on, first, stretch the edge a little bit. Then, tuck as much of the pad's edge as possible into the headphone housing's groove. A very important step is to hold the already insert part so it doesn't slip out. Then, with your other hand, pull the rest of the edge into place. Finally, you can slowly rotate the pad to make sure it's securely in place. Repeat the exact same steps for the other earpad. And here is the result. They look brand new again and are ready for years of work. Good luck!